Does this look all right?
We're gonna, yeah, that's great.
All right, it's all straight?
Yeah, looks good.
All right.
Oh, that's funny.
I can't get these memories out of my mind, and some kind of madness has started to evolve. I tried so hard to let you go, but some kind of madness is swallowing me whole. Yeah, I have finally seen the light, and I have finally realized what you mean. And now I need to know, is this real love, or is it just madness keeping us afloat? But when I look back at all the crazy fights we had, it's like some kind of madness was taking control. Yeah, and now I have finally seen the light, and I have finally realized what you need.
Just be glad I didn't wear my Betty Boop tie or my
That would have been
Pepe
better
Le
than
Pew
the
tie.
bird.
What's wrong with the birds?
You didn't look in the mirror?
Yes, I looked in the mirror. It looks fine. Shut up, Jason. How am I supposed to exude the confidence of the dealership when you're just sitting there picking it?
Now define, what are y'all doing silly face with?
And now I have finally